Morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Morning, morning.
Let's see here.
Hola.
Good morning. Good morning. Watching to this
Hey, morning.
140 here. What
Mm,
happens here? Otherwise, again, anywhere in this up to 770 in ES, I think we could hold anywhere above there. Um, so I'd be watching that. Uh, I don't know. So far, it looks pretty decent off the kind of in that zone I marked, which was between 770 and 75. I'd like to see if it can really hold this and get going up top here. Thank you. Didn't really sweep it. I would have thought, okay, so that's ES is trying here, it looks like, to make that move up, but I still got a ways to go here. I want to see it back up to those highs at 80-ish. If we get up to like 81, I'll probably take some off. I took a long at 73. Knew I could take a stop down around below 70-ish. I was going to stop out. So 3 points was good. I knew I could do about 3 points. I now want to see. I'll move my stop back to. I'll now go to 73 as my stop, which is back to break even, right? So I'm going back to break even and see if we can get a push to this 82. And then if we get above 82, I'm just gonna have a runner to go. I'll just put it up at 90 for now, and then I'll just decide what I'm gonna do with it. Because I don't know what I'm gonna do once it gets up there. I got no plans. I probably would just end up trailing slowly this last runner until we hit somewhere. Not fully certain.
you are in a long already?
Yeah. Yep. I took it right off. I said anything above 70, I think we hold. So at 73-ish,
Mm.
I took a shot, knowing I only had 3 point stop. It was easy. It was a play I knew I could kind of just take and run with.
Looking for pullbacks to yesterday high New York session.
Let's see if we get any more juice here. So I don't like what NQ is doing. NQ is starting to slip a little bit. Um, Still okay, but ES is looking better here. Again, I want to see up into 82. I'll take some off at 81 and a half, 82 up in there. If we get up there. My stop is break even now, so this is a freebie. Just so I want to see if we can really get going here. Give me a little more juice. It's a very, very nice looking 5 minute candle on ES currently. Closes in about 30 seconds. And close up here. Very nice. Oh, okay. Don't go too far down.
Microsoft breaking out.
Again, 73 is my stop down below. Okay, still holding here. 25.1 is right below on NQ, and we have VWAP at 25.107. Yes, looking much better than NQ right now.
Hello, kids.
What's going on?
Hi.
What up?
Finally got out of a meeting, so we can do some trading for a little bit. Back to another one.
I like this pullback.
I was
I'm
looking at
looking for
gold.
bigger pullbacks
You're looking for
for the
a
gap fill.
pullback to go back up?
Yep.
Oh, for the gap fill?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna do it.
Yep.
And Q's already going for it.
Mm.
Q's.
Yeah, we have Apple
And Quisha.
week, and Amazon week, Nvidia reacting also.
I wonder what sparked that move yesterday. Like, there's like no reason behind it.
I don't know.
Maybe just Nvidia. That's about it.
Yeah,
Just the
it
only
could
thing I
be.
get to see that.
Yeah, it was all semis.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the gap fill and then see if we're gonna hold for a possible gap close reversal play. Can be a
Even
gap
gold
fill
is dumping.
or just yesterday high New York session.
Hey, your gold is getting smacked.
Yeah.
Maybe watch for 906 on gold. 905,
PDH.
something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's going for that. That's a big dump from it went to test all-time high and it just rejected pretty hard. I mean, based on what happened there first, it makes sense.
Yep. Right, ES is slipping now too, going down to that previous day I had at 770 I talked about earlier.
This is, it's right, ES is right at yesterday high.
Yep. Yep. That's the 770.
NQ still needs to go a little bit lower.
Yeah, it's like a hot knife through butter to that 70. Slicing right through. Interested around that like 35, 40 level on NQ possibly. And then obviously 25K.
Pretty big dump.
Yeah, this is pretty substantial.
I actually like it because I was expecting like for a slower move to the downside for the gap fill. I like this aggressive sell-off move.
Elevator always goes down fast.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Keep going lower. Give me a little bit
Interesting
more.
break. Right here, it's around 35. Interesting. Gold slipping our level there? No, it's at that 906 right now. At 905, 906. That's interesting. That 35.40 on NQ. One more quick little slip, you'll get that fill, that gap fill there. Oh, oh, so close. Did
Okay.
ES just do it?
NQ gap filled. Well, it's a little bit more, but I like it here.
Yeah, it needs a little more. But this is that 35.40 that I was saying that I kind of like as well. I'm getting interested.
Mm-hmm.
Gold is right at that 906 too, which is also interesting to me. Have a pretty tight stop just kind of below 04, 01 and 2. Yes, I wanted closer to this 50. I mean, 50 would be right, but 57 range, 58, something like that, something in there. So that's got a ways to go down for that. Orb has been set.
Okay.
Still not sold on this NQ action right here, to be honest.
Yeah.
Unlike this for bounce yet.
I do like it, but I'm a little bit scared.
Yeah, that's how I feel too right now, ADR. Like this is a level I wanted, but I don't love what's happened up into it, right?
Mm-hmm.
I
Yeah,
would
it
have wanted
was
a little
too
more
much.
move off of it quickly.
But look at that
Yes,
bounce.
bouncing off of
Look at that bounce.
spies bouncing. Spies bouncing. But NQ's a lot weaker.
Yes. Also, 70 was the previous day high, 770. So we're pushing back into 770 as just as a heads up, right? Like pushing back into that. So that could get tricky. Reclaiming that could be interesting though, for sure.
Damn, look at GC. Bastard. Right off PDH.
Oh my God, off 06.
Literally
Jeez.
right off of it.
Wow. Oh my God, no.
To the T.
Oh, okay, well, that's great. Wonderful. Okay, so here,
Mm.
NQ start going. ES still needs to get over 70. That's tough.
I'd say just let it dump.
I just, yeah, I'm. Gold looks like it's trying to come back down now.
Look at that perfect
Maybe.
bounce from yesterday high.
Yeah, it was great. It was very nice, for sure. Definitely watching 70 here on ES to see what this does.
Yeah, if you can hold and consolidate at 770, that would be nice.
Yeah,
And I
770.
would think we might go back to morning high.
Yep, I would agree, ADR. I think that's a big one. Sweeping that previous day high, getting back above it, and then holding, for sure. Gold right back down to 06.
Yeah. Wow.
Just just no hold, right? Just it looks
Yeah.
like now we're gonna break below.
Yeah.
Coming down with some
A
force.
30-minute is aggressively red.
Yes. Yep. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
ADR, thank you for like I never used to watch the 30-minute up
Uh-huh.
until you pointed it out. I was like,
It's amazing, right? I love it. I think it's my
yeah,
favorite time frame to
right.
watch.
Yeah. It actually worked well. And it keeps you out of a trade for a while, until you
Yes, that
clear up a
too.
candle. Unless you're a degen.
Mhm. I know everyone here plays only futures, but Amazon is looking pretty good, holding support, and holiday season is coming up. I'm just
It's
gonna say
it's
that.
it's actually important to keep an eye. It's important to keep an eye on all of those things too, because
Hmm.
that's what drives the market,
Yep.
drives futures, I guess.
Why do I like the 30-minute time frame? I don't know. I feel like it can tell me a lot about what could happen next. And also, it helped me to hold my trades a little bit longer. Not so much with futures, because with futures I'm not really looking for big move to catch big move, but when I'm trading anything else, yes. Like on a one
Okay.
minute or 5 minute time frame, it might look ugly, but if I look at the 30-minute time frame, just a pullback on the trend.
That's a big slip. 70 hard rejection on 70. 770 hard rejection there. Gold really taking a smack.
Jeez, dude. Finally, gold getting a pullback. Maybe a good one.
Gold maybe. Gold into this 95, 96 area is interesting. 97 maybe. Somewhere in here is not bad.
Qs are at pre-market low. PDCs right below.
Well, again, Q 25K is a level for sure on Qs that you want to see hold. Just based on psych alone and the fact that we've utilized it a couple times for some support. So
No, I'm talking about QQQ.
oh, okay.
I watch
You
QQ.
watch Q and
SPY.
the Q's and SPY. Yeah, okay.
Q, SPY, SPX.
SPX, yeah. I know you call it SPX on occasion. I'm just like, I don't have any clue. I don't have anywhere on any of my charts. I do have QQQ and SPY up on a side screen.
Yeah. So now we're bouncing off of PDH and PML on Qs. It would be a sweaty long though.
Oh yeah, for sure. Now look at this. You if you long here, you stop has to be below 25K. No choice. Right. So you got to give yourself at least 30 points of wiggle room right now.
Yeah.
I mean, 2 minutes not pretty either. It's a pretty ugly 2-minute candle. Not quite enough for me to get in yet. I need it lower. Yeah, all lower.
Okay.
Fuck.
We fill the gap on both ES and NQ, SPY QQQ, same thing. And we're trying to hold here. I'm gonna try a
See
long
that?
on NQ with micros. Yep. Yep.
Nice.
I'm
Nice
gonna
ADR,
start
nice.
locking profits here.
Trying to pass these top steps. I just took a long there too.
Nice, okay.
947 out of 1500. So we'll see.
Close. Yeah, I was looking, I need to lower. I wanted closer to 25K. I wanted closer to kind of like 25.10, 25.05, something like that.
Yeah, I mean the problem here is QQQ may prevent that from happening right away.
Yep.
Still possible because
Oh,
this
for sure.
30-minute is kind of bearish. We
And
got
I'm
5
watching
minutes.
watching the push back into 70 as well on ES.
Damn gold. I had actually taken shorts on gold when we rejected all-time high. But then we opened and I was like, yeah, I'm not holding this through opening. Look at how much it dumped.
Yeah, it's a lot. Watch gold back into 39.06 now, maybe.
Yeah. You want to see that reject now.
Exactly.
3904 and 3906.
Yes. Yep. Now, and I'm watching, like I said, 770 on ES right now. 6770.
I want to see the 20s hold on NQ. If not, I think it's gonna go to 25K.
Okay. I'm gonna take a shot on
Ooh,
ES down.
I don't like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Give me more. Again, this is all solely based on the 70 rejection, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's all I'm basing this off of. I want to get us down to 62. I'll take some off at 63 actually. If we get there. We're just gonna chop in this little area. Because if we do get to 63, then I'm looking to break down below 61 down into I'd like to see us get down like 57. That'd be great. I'll take some more for like 58. And I'll leave a runner down like 55.
So you're short,
Give me another point.
or you're looking for
Yes.
more than
Yeah.
okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I took the 70 rejection.
Okay.
So I took one off there it was at 63 and a half. Oh, 63 and 3/4. And then I'm looking for now 61 and 3/4, give or take. Then I'll take something off down high 50s, 58-ish. And then I want 55. So that's kind of what and these are just micros, I'm scaling one off, like one off, right?
Yep.
And my entry was 68 and a half. So what I'll do is at this point, I'm moving my stop to 68 and a half, right? No need to go red now. Way too in the profit to go red. So 60.5 is my next PT.
Yeah, that was an aggressive reaction on ES. NQ holding better.
Yeah, NQ definitely holding better for sure.
I like this hold on NQ. I almost added more, but I didn't. But I like it. I'm still holding 4 runners.
QQ's holding PDH.
See if it tries to come back and take out the rest of my position on ES here again. 68 and a half is my stop because that's where the rest is break even. I've already taken profit on some. And I hate being in an opposite trade as everybody, but
sorry, Blair, I like this.
no, it's good. I already took profit. I already took some profit, so it's not a big deal, right? Like, yeah. I already scaled out some.
I wanted to add more, and then I was a little bit scared because I didn't like that aggressive reaction on ES, but it's looking amazing now.
Yeah.
What are your team indicator for draws the green and red areas? No indicator. I do that myself. Those are my levels. I don't use any indicators on the futures chart. Not even the VWAP. I don't like using indicators, but I do like a lot if you like swing trading, if you like looking for bigger move, I do like the combination of the MACD and what's the other one? R something?
RSI.
RSI, yeah. But on the
Yeah.
weekly, monthly, on the bigger time frames, I think you can find amazing plays if you use those two plus levels. You can find really good swing trades.
RSI on the 4 hour is really cool.
Just got wicked out on that weird ass 10 a.m. camp.
I'm telling you right now, it's 70 still looks rough, guys. Like,
yeah.
Of course, it took me out to the literal tick, 68 and a half with my stop. It took me to 68 and a half, right? It took me out. But like, this still looks like it can go down.
Yeah. Yes.
This is the data that was never supposed to happen.
Well, the thing is, like, Nvidia pulled back to previous day high and it held. So that's why I'm still holding here, because Nvidia is
Sure.
looking like it wants more upside, and that's definitely helping NQ. It's looking exactly the same.
And
Amazon is holding
NQ looks
support.
way better than ES.
Yeah. And Apple also is holding the VWAP. So
Gold
that's
with
why
another
I'm
slip
kind of
down to
holding here
96.
still. Hmm?
The gold slipped down again to 96.
Gold might go for PDC at this point. At 38.92.
92 and a half, give or take, whatever it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm gonna sell a little bit more, only holding 2 runners. I wanna see if we're gonna push here.
I mean,
Or
the
not.
2-minute candles look great on EQ,
Mm,
but ES is stock.
yeah.
Yeah, he has weak.
ES is stock. 70
Why?
is an absolute
What
flip
is
wall.
pulling back? Yes.
70 was the previous day high, right? So 770 was previous day high, and we are just rejecting that consistently. So I'm wondering if that's the holdup, right?
Tesla. ADR.
Tesla,
Hmm?
Tesla look
Tesla?
weak.
Huh?
Tesla's taking a hit.
Let me
Yeah.
see.
Yeah, it's
And
it's really
unfortunately, it does
it's
have
really
other.
flat on the day, but it took from the overnight high, it's
Yeah.
down 25 bucks. But I
Yeah, I
mean,
can go to
it
350,
gave it after the entire overnight
351
move.
still. Well, already tap 3. No, it can go a little bit lower. But I think it's a healthy pullback on Tesla. What I really, really like is Nvidia. I'm in Nvidia because that pullback to previous day high, I like it.
Taking any longs here is kind of risky.
Yeah, I'm a little hesitant on everything kind of right now. Yeah, that Nvidia does look good. I'm looking at it now. The high and the close are both at 188.2, 188.4, give or take. So it's a really nice little setup there, ADR for sure.
Yeah. I feel if Nvidia can hold the VWAP, it's gonna push, and NQ also, it's gonna push.
NQ, yeah, it can take NQ with it. Yeah. Break over 70 and hold again on ES has me interested for sure. Because it's been such a wall this morning. I need more coffee. Shoot. Was you going for the gusto, buddy?
X, where are you located?
Southern New Hampshire. I'm just north of the border of
Oh,
Mass.
nice. Like
So
30 minutes. Yeah,
yeah,
I have friends that live up there.
yep. I grew up in Lowell and moved up here
Nice.
right out of college. I bought a house. So
Did you turn your heat on yet?
no, but I have my hoodie on right now with the hood up.
Ooh,
Yeah,
nice.
dude.
Miami
just-
is still very hot and
It
humid and rainy.
it's been
Whatever. Whatever.
Yeah, it was. We've had a couple of nice days. It was warming, but the last few days it's chilled out quite a bit.
Yeah, dude. I gotta take my AC down.
Yeah. I'll I got mini splits and stuff, so
Nice.
Yeah.
no
Well,
more of that. Growing up, I remember every summer,
mhm.
go up to the attic, grab the huge honking ACs, put them in all the windows. I mean, this was like my house was like my childhood home was like a God, it was built shoot old,
Every house out here
old,
is
old,
built
old.
20s and 40s and the 1900s, bro. So,
Yeah.
you know,
Whereas I'm up here in New Hampshire now, and the houses I bought and lived in like 1980, 1987. That's when they're all built. Like, oh, this is much better.
yeah, that's true. ADR, do you live in an apartment building?
Yeah, right
Or you
now,
got your own
yes.
house?
Apartment.
Nice.
Yeah. And they're making like roof, they're working on the roof, so that's why you guys hear noises all the time. And it's gonna be like that
Um,
for the next, I think, few months.
damn.
Okay,
All
so
right, you still got
SPY is
nice weather though.
rejecting the VWAP. The Q still holding very good, but it could be a bear flag on both ES and NQ.
Yeah.
ES is. I'm still stuck in this ES below 70 thing.
Mm.
I can't wrap my mind around any long until ES can reclaim 70.
I'm only holding two runners, and because I like how Nvidia is looking. But yes, definitely EF needs to hold the 70s.
Yeah, it's got to get up over 70. Otherwise, it's just nothing in it for me. I don't see personally, I don't see it long until over 70.
Why is ES so weak today?
Good question. Interesting if ES can close a 5 minute below 62 and a half or below 62. That would be, of course, below the orb. And then if buy gets below 668 and a half, I
Banks?
think it goes all the way
Oh,
down to
looks like Banks
667
is what's pulling down ES.
on neutrals. Okay. 86 is VWAP on NQ. We're pushing right into that now.
Tradeify or Apex? I like both. They're pretty different. I like Apex because I can copy trade with 20 accounts. With Tradeify, you can only do 5 accounts at the same time. Okay.
Definitely an interesting spot to be in, right? With where how NQ looks and ES is now going to slip it. It's coming down, right?
Yeah,
And ES is not being able to get over 70. Like that was such a huge sign.
that's gonna drag NQ down with it eventually.
Eventually, right? I would think so too, unless we get some really heavy divergence, which is possible.
Yeah.
It just looks like ES wants to slip. Gold is starting to recover a little, trying to.
There is divergence on SPX on the RSI on a bigger time frame. So definitely got to be careful with longs on the way up here, all the way up here. I want this PDH test of gold.
I'm now just trying to. Does NQ hold up ES, or does ES drag down NQ? Is the question, right? At this point,
Yeah.
and ES just
I
looks
always
so
put
weak.
more emphasis on ES.
Yes, yeah.
It's stronger, but stronger in the sense of if it moves, it's gonna move you down with.
Wait, yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'm all up. I'm
Yeah,
good.
yeah. This is starting to. I mean, that's VWAP
Yeah.
rejection on NQ, and ES just
Yes.
coming down now heavily. ES down into 56 is kind of my next watch, right? A little 56 area could be interesting,
See that? Yeah.
but I mean, again, risky.
This age is low right here. Yeah. This age is low on ES. And we're testing PDC on SPY.
Mm-hmm.
This is quite the divergence between these two.
Yeah, it
With
is. It really is this one big time, making it very tough. I'll be honest,
I
very, very
still
tough.
like it.
I like NQ for longs, but
Look at
it's just
Nvidia.
tough
Amazon
to even.
also looking pretty good.
Nvidia holding. So yeah, the little support there at 189.5 on Nvidia, we kind of pushed through, came back, retested it, now holding it again, which looks good. Yeah, I see that too. So I'm moving up into a pivot there. Mm. Just honestly, I just hate how ES looks,
Yeah.
and it's making it hard for me to think anything to the upside currently. What's GC do? What's gold doing? Gold is slipping down a little bit too. Gold right down to that into that close, right? So at 93 there.
Yeah, the PDC gotta get tested.
Yep. Yep. And then below that, you're looking really at like 880,
Yeah.
77 to 80, which is big. That's gonna be big. You lose that, I think you can slip down quite a bit on gold. So
ES is
56.
still going.
I like 56. Sasha, I definitely see a possible long at 56.
Yes, either hold here or it's gonna go down to 755, 756.
Yeah, that's I will be very much interested in taking a long shot at 55, 56 for sure. But I'm not even opposed to someone thinking they want to get their feet wet right here at 59, 60, right? scale into it, but that's not me right now. I want to see 56 first. These 2-minute candles on NQ are looking decent though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Q wants to push.
It does. NQ really wants to get going, and it's just being held down.
Yeah.
So interestingly enough, if 55, 56 ends up being a bounce, I think NQ is going to start really moving.
There she blows.
Yeah.
Almost.
Yeah. We gonna do it? Boy, gold. Boy, gold. What you gonna do, gold?
Look at gold.
Gold.
At the,
It's
it's
sitting
at
there. We can do
the
gold.
it's slipping through it.
Yep. Kind of. Let's see what
Yeah.
happens here. It's kind of sitting right there right now, but it does look a little,
Little dumpy.
yeah, a little dumpy.
Yeah, I think
If
NQ is
anybody,
gonna
if
go.
anybody in NQ longs, I will apologize to you just because of a yes. The only reason you guys haven't moonshotted yet is ES looks rough. Getting cold. Getting cold.
Go NQ. Go. Go. Go.
Yeah,
Or
Amazon's
not.
looking pretty good. I'm already in it. I got in last week.
It's just ES right now, Case. It's just like
Yeah.
I know I'm harping on the same thing, but like this needs to do something. This doesn't look good, and NQ's gonna really struggle until ES does something.
Yeah. It definitely looks like it wants to go lower. Like it has a very clean downtrend, yes.
Yes. Yep. It certainly looks like it wants to go lower.
Trust it. NQ wants to go higher.
I will
I
say
know
if
this is okay. Look at that little pop on NQ. Look at
yeah.
that little pop on NQ. That was nice.
Yeah, the dips are getting bought.
It's yeah, because tech is looking pretty good. Like Amazon is looking very good, like it wants to go. Nvidia it's going. Apple it looks like it wants to go also. Microsoft is kind of flat. But yeah, the thing is, yes, that is not helping. And QQQ is rejecting the VWAP, so I'm waiting for QQQ to break the VWAP for maybe more
Yeah.
upside. I do find the VWAP very helpful on SPY and QQQ, not on ES and NQ.
X, look at gold. Damn.
Oh, geez. What the hell just happened? Gold. I mean, I'm really interested in 880, 877, 880 for sure on gold if we get down there. I will be watching. Okay, ES. Give me a little more down. You're like 55-ish. I can take you with a fairly tight stop.
Okay. What I'm looking now
Watch
is
this.
if ES goes down to 55 and it holds there and the Q keeps holding previous day high, that could be a potential push way higher.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I like it. Yeah. Okay. Give me a little more down, and I will I'll take a shot. This is the other thing that's interesting to me right now, right? Is as we push down into that's NQ, especially if ES can get down into 56 and NQ can still hold 55. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna complain over a point. Oh, NQ holds this upward trend at the same time that ES goes down and touches this. It could be good.
You're gonna get your 55, 54.
I think so.
No, maybe not.
Uh, I do. I have a limit out at 55 and a half. Just FYI, everybody.
Yeah, it's tricky. It's like trying to find the bottom on something and it's just not happening.
Right.
Which we shouldn't be trying to do anyway. You know,
Yeah,
that's not the
exactly.
right way of trading.
It is not. It is
Mhm.
not.
Yeah, we definitely
I-
playing with fire here with ES on a
Yeah.
very clean downtrend.
Mm-hmm.
This is what happened with Carmine when he was live. Dude, he was just trying to
Well,
find the bottom.
yeah, both ES and NQ were down. We're on a
Yeah,
downtrend, yes.
yeah. That
So
day.
so
Yeah.
that
Yeah,
yeah, and that to me is even more of a clear sign not to do it.
yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It finding a bottom when one is stronger than the other makes more sense to me, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because
Yes.
you do know that one of them can hold, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like, and if one pulls the other, you're in good shape. If they're both pulling each other down at simultaneously,
Mm-hmm.
then you're just catching a falling knife, and that's
Yeah.
just risky as hell, right? Like, and I missed my entry by a point. Okay, super great, super great.
Yeah.
Um,
But I
so I still may
understand
come down.
him
This,
because I most likely he was feeling some pressure because he was live with Desi's group also. So whenever you have a bunch of people
Yeah.
watching you, it's so difficult to trade.
I don't know
I
how
can't
you
even
do
imagine. Yeah, no thanks.
it. I don't know how you do it.
Yeah.
And she's on YouTube. I mean, there's
That's what I'm saying.
millions.
This talking, this is easy.
Yeah.
There's less pressure here. I'm just kind of regurgitating my thoughts, right? Like that's whatever. I'm thinking them anyway. Now I'm just saying them out loud.
Yeah.
The problem is showing you what I'm doing is very different,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
That's why I still haven't done the whole stage thing yet because I'm not sure how I feel
Yeah,
about
I
doing
do it,
that
but I
yet.
take
God.
sometimes I disappear for a few weeks because I don't know, I need it.
Yeah, yeah. Need to reset the mind.
Yeah.
That was probably it. Let's see.
There goes the NQ wanting to push.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah. That's what we said. We said if ES can hold, NQ's gonna get its push.
If we gotta push to morning high, I'm gonna be so mad.
I mean, I'm already a little frustrated,
He
but
was
it's okay.
But I have
he was
It's
Nvidia
only a
and
only
five.
Amazon, so I shouldn't feel FOMO because if that happens, both are gonna move higher.
Q's is at VWAP.
Again. Yeah.
But ES wants lower probably.
That's what I'm waiting for.
Ooh, gold. Damn. Holy shit.
Oh God, hold on. I'm setting my bracket here. Let me go look at gold. Gold, what you doing, gold? Woo!
EDL.
880. So again,
Yeah.
777, 877 to 880. Very interesting for me in gold.
We'll take a
Very
baby,
interesting.
start a baby position ad down there.
I think I will be. Son of a bitch, ES. Sorry, guys. I was trying to get that since I got into the 70 short at what was that? 950. I've been sitting here trying to watch that same thing for the past 40 minutes.
Mm.
Waiting for that 55 area. Oh no.
Damn.
Oh
I
no.
told you, man. Q's wants to move. It's gonna. Yep.
Oh no,
Break.
I mean this is a reason I had an order of 55 and a half. I was ready for the long. I just was too late. I guess too late's the wrong word. I wanted too much. Again, in situations like that, you can for sure scale in. If you're in micros and stuff, it's definitely something I've done in the past. I just don't do it all that often.
Even gold is catching a bid now.
And maybe a sign. It's maybe a sign for me, guys.
Mm.
Gold, I wanted. Oh my God, two points down. I guess you call it 2 points, $2, whatever you want to call it. Down in gold.
I took 1 micro on it.
Oh, good. You know, let's get a little flavor, a little touch, taste.
just to feel something.
Yeah. Yeah. That push back into 64 is also interesting on ES. That's kind of where we kind of were bottoming all morning. Gold, what a pop.
Yeah. Let's still look at a PDH rejection
NQ
though.
keeps rejecting the same level. We need a breakout here. That's QQQ VWAP. Yes, still on a downtrend. It's trying to do higher high, but it's rejecting there. That's an ugly rejection candle.
Gold back into 93.
No, not yet.
No, I'm saying, I guess is that what's happening next? I'm
Yeah.
thinking that's my thought process at this point. Gold back into 93. See what happens there.
You guys buy Bitcoin or any coin?
I have absolutely zero crypto.
Mm.
About Shiba.
Oh,
Nah. No Bitcoin either.
yeah. I mean, I'm kicking myself. My buddy was hard on it, trying to get me to get in at 6K. I was like, nah, dude, no, this is ridiculous. I mean, hindsight's 2020. That was a mistake. But here we are.
Yes, I saw it at 5,000
Yeah.
and
Oh,
didn't buy it,
I lost
and
money on Bitcoin when it was at 1700, 5200, 9200.
Oh. Oh no. Okay. I mean, I just didn't get in. That's worse. So, I mean, yikes, that hurts.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to hear. That's tough.
It's okay. I made
And
it
you
all
look back
back,
now,
but
it's
yeah.
like,
I had no idea what I was doing.
oh, well, yeah, I mean, in the early stages, no one really did with crypto, right? I mean, that was tough. Ooh, gold. Little 64 rejection as we were pushing into it. Man.
But I do buy crypto. I buy, but I
Oh, do you?
don't
You have
really
some?
trade them. Yeah. But the charts are pretty much the same. Like last week, I posted XRP and Ethereum. They were doing a big break and retest, so I bought there.
Okay.
And I feel with Bitcoin, you kind of need to watch the weekly time frame instead of like anything smaller.
Side note, I still have an order of 55 and a half, but I like it much less right now. I'm gonna be completely honest. I think you can also slip this little upward trend it has going on this channel.
Like these things keep starting to look more and more like a um bear flag.
bear flag.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, I am no longer loving this ES situation.
Look
This
at
now
gold,
looks
dumpy again,
Yeah.
uh-huh.
and VIX is actually popping.
I'm gonna wait to see what happens. I'm gonna I don't want 55 and a half right this second now. I need to see how this is gonna play out. If we're gonna, because we could slip this whole area now. I think now I'm gonna turn my attention to maybe a gold play between 880 and 76 and kind of this
We're there.
area. Yep. Oh,
Might
don't touch it. Don't touch 880 amounts right this second. Give me a moment. Give me something here. Hold on.
It already did.
What's the
Oh,
ticker
I know
for
I see that.
gold futures?
GC,
Did you see it?
MGC if you want to trade futures. I mean, micros. It's
It
GC.
look
Right.
it looks
GC
kind
for
of
many.
toppy future gold. The
Look,
past
Kind of
look
3
low.
toppy
days
for
been rejecting.
like a month.
Yeah.
I have an alert near 3500 on gold. I'm waiting for that
30.
pullback.
He's gonna go for that 87 sweep. Gold.
Okay, gold. All right.
If it doesn't catch a bit down here, then forget about it.
Oh yeah, you'll be in trouble. You might take a little. I'm gonna take a small starter on gold. Small, super small, everybody. Like tiny, 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 tiny. Couple micros.
You're going
We
long
get
or
back
short?
over 880. I'm going long.
Oh,
It's super small. Get back over 882. Whoa,
Oof.
no,
Whoa,
nope,
whoa,
nope,
whoa.
nope. Negative.
it looks toppy on the daily.
Wow. Woo.
Yeah,
Damn.
Yeah, I agree with you, ADR. 100%. I was just looking at that.
The what? What did ADR say?
it looks toppy on the daily chart. Look at the past 3 daily
Yeah.
candlesticks.
This
Yeah.
That's a
You're right.
classic topping on the daily.
Mm-hmm.
It actually just closed the daily gap right there. 73.
Watch it down into 860 now. But yeah, that was a
I'm gonna post my, again, favorite candlestick pattern. That's GC right now. Ooh. Can NQ just break out already?
yeah, yes, never got to my 55 and a half. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, I was looking for a little lower. 56,
Yeah,
55. Yes.
uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. NQ still reacting the same level. QQQ, that's the VWAP. Nvidia is looking a little bit weak now. Let's see if it's gonna hold the VWAP or not.
Watch, watch gold into 860. Gold is slipping hard.
Yeah.
I gotta go shortly. Get some stuff done. Waiting to see though.
Hmm. We're
Yeah, I'm
doing
saying we're gonna
nothing
lose
here.
this here. It's now really struggling on this little trend line that I have set up here. It's at the bottom. Interesting. Hmm.
Okay.
X, look at this 1 hour candle on gold. This is crazy.
Yeah, can the market just do something?
I'm actually very
You
surprised
post,
that gold is moving intraday because it never really does.
you posting a screenshot? Okay, so I want to just look at it myself. But I can definitely do. Hey, NQ is gonna slip. I'm just gonna go.
Okay, we got 56. Still looking for a little bit lower.
I haven't. I don't have a screenshot.
No, it's
X.
okay. I'll look it up. No problem. Give me half a second. Oh, that 1 hour. I mean, so funny
That 1
enough,
hour.
I had a level at 98, level at 80, right? 880, and then a level at 60. We
It's one.
blasted both those my levels, and then now we moved into that last level I have down here at 60. Below that, I mean, you go into what, 20?
40
I mean,
PDA.
you have 40?
Another PDA.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
There's another PDL that hasn't been tested at 40.
Okay. Yeah, I'm more interested in 20. I don't know if 40 isn't probably enough for me, but
Only
that's
40.
yeah, that's you wow. That 1 hour is aggressive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, nice on NQ. Really interested to see if gold pushes below this 60. Like that. I think it could be just free fall. And Q's going to come back down to the lows at 15 probably here.
Yeah, I'm looking for the 20s, maybe 15 also.
Beautiful. A little slip there.
That was a really nice bird flag.
Yeah, that's perfect. Great. ES now below that. Oh God. ES, what do you want next? 43? 44?
Should fix.
And then I don't know
Wow.
I don't know why you stop anywhere else. I don't see any reason for gold to stop now. Gold gonna get on that high horse and just flip on down.
That was a perfect reaction on gold.
It was so aggressive.
Okay. This is an interesting candlestick on ES. If we can really hold here, we could have a push. But obviously first needs to break the downtrend.
Gold really starts slipping here hard. Down to maybe 41st and down all the way down to like 20-ish.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at the daily candle on NQ. Looks toppy also. But obviously it's too early to say. But kind of looks like gold. But it's too early for that. But yeah.
Gold, come on down, baby. Give me a little more. Don't hang up there, though. You're coming to, okay. Man, playing. Yep. Yep. Mm-hmm. Give me 50 now. And then get to 40. I get too greedy? Maybe. Okay. All right, I'll take it off there.
Yeah, I
A
think
couple
50
hundred
is
on
good.
gold. Okay.
Nice.
That's good enough. That's good enough. Not get too crazy.
The 70s reaction was beautiful. I think that was a play. Whoa. Okay.
That I pulled out there on gold. Jeez Louise. Right.
If you get above 60, though, forget about it. You're reclaiming that level.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
What you're about to do.
Just look what we're trying to do with that right now.
Are we gonna see another hold on NQ at 20s?
Oh man, oh god, though, if gold rejects 60 though,
Mm.
yes, that could be rough.
I don't see it though. The move, it's been kind of like a sell off without any buying. So buying is gonna come in.
Yeah.
For gold, I'm only waiting for a pullback to previous all-time high around 3,500. It's above, a little bit above 3,500. I'm gonna
Yeah.
post the chart.
There it is. That's the 60 rejection. Wow.
You're right.
Yep, there it was. Holy smokes. I still don't. It's tough. I don't see a reason for us not to go to 820. 825. Like that's still kind of where I would expect us to venture down into today, but it is quite extended now, right? When we look at gold, I don't even know what the RSI looks like on it, but it's probably pretty aggressive. There it goes. Just absolutely freaking blasting down. Wow. Yeah, 860 rejection almost to that dollar was pretty good. Right.
That was a nice rejection.
Mm-hmm.
Um, from here, I have 744 for ES. 745, 44.
$25K, $25K. Am I gonna catch the falling knife?
Man, I fought all morning. I was in a Teams meeting at work, listening to you guys and trying to trade. I blew my lucid.
Oh no.
Such an idiot.
Yeah.
That's all right. It pissed me off anyways.
It's just tough. Tough today. Tough today.
Yeah,
I don't understand that.
I tried long in 20 the breakout,
Mm-hmm.
2580, got stopped. Then I tried to short it, and I'm like, and then it just happened right after too. The 1 minute candle after just slides down. I'm like, oh my god.
Let's
So
look at
I didn't
60
blow it.
again.
It's just DLL, but whatever.
X,
Gold
look
right
at
back into 60.
Yep.
Yeah. Yep. Right. I'm watching with one eye. Got on a side
Reclaiming.
monitor. Yep. Could be big.
Yeah.
You reclaim that, you're going to 80.
Yeah.
And that's going to be interesting. Very interesting if we reclaim that to go to 80.
Yeah, it already did. Look at the 15-minute looks pretty bullish actually in the volume on the
I'm
15.
watching I'm watching the 15 now. That's what I'm watching. I want to see what happens in approximately 40 seconds. We close over this like 63-ish area. Oh my God, it is
Yeah, reclaim.
it is one hell of a hammer.
Went swept 50 and then came back up to 60. Crazy.
Yep. God, gold is violent.
Yeah, gold, dude. Even with micros, it can do damage. Like it's just
Yes.
you gotta
I
be.
only trade with micros. I don't trade with minis. I can't. I don't have the stones for it. Gold is an animal.
I used to. I was like, never mind. I shouldn't. Oh, SPX is
That,
coming to support actually at 6,700
that's a nice
psychological.
little hold on gold right there. Closing above that 63. Wow.
Mm,
Oh man.
still a bearish move, for the
Yeah.
day. So you can still let it go higher and try to catch a bit back down though. So but it's I don't know.
I almost want to take like a 1 micro just to see if we hold this, just to shoot to 80.
Dude, look
Stop
at
is easy.
Vic.
Stop below like 60, and you're like, okay. Well, now I don't. I should have done it about 5 points ago when I was talking about it.
Yeah.
At 63, now not at 68. But yeah, that's almost, it felt like one of those things. Take the 1 micro because I want to be in it. Just let it do its thing. Top's only a couple points. But sheesh. Oh,
Yeah, it's my bounce here. 6,700 is a big level on SPX, psychological
25,
level.
25K. I wanted to see a little lower on NQ,
We're
but
still
we
holding
did
the
Yeah.
sweep that
same
morning
morning
low at
level.
25,014.
Sorry,
Wait, I
come
don't
again?
know if you saw, but that 6750 is pretty holding up pretty nice right now.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
yes,
I
looks
think
like a
80.
nice bounce area.
Yep, absolutely.
I'd give it to 6740 though.
Yeah. Damn. Cold. Damn you,
Oh.
gold.
I
It's
don't
I
even
have a
have a
amazing.
chance to
level here
look.
on ES. I have another level, but lower.
Where
44, 45.
yep,
I'm gonna
same.
post it on the chat.
I have a zone between 3750 and 44.5. Qs are very close to PDC right now.
Really watching this 25K as well on NQ.
PDC is very close. Close.
On QQQ.
Hmm.
I mean, it's automatically charted on my chart, TOS chart. I have it at 603.25. Unless it's wrong, and it's
We're
been
almost
guiding
at
me the wrong way the
2500.
entire.
25,000.
Yeah, that's what I'm watching. Maybe even a little sweep down into like 90 could be real interesting. Oh, go back below 60 though. Wow.
Yeah, let me show you something that I kind of rely on sometimes. That could give you an idea of why we reject it there.
Sure.
It's fibs. At 23.6.
Oh, 23.6. Okay. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. A little sweep there. Now the question is, do we break down through? Is that a little sweep to go up again? I want to see us sweep down to about 90.
Okay, we
Break
have
this
the
low from
40s here on
Renai.
ES. And we have the 25,000 on NQ.
Mm-hmm.
Jeez. What the hell?
I'm a little worried though, ADR, if I'm gonna be honest. I do like this spot though for a long, right? That little sweep
Yeah.
into a possible long, but I'm a little worried.
Yeah. The 30-minute candles are all bearish so far.
Yes. Yeah, I mean, I even go to like the opening 15-minute candle on NQ is an absolute falling knife. Brutal.
There's that 500 sweep that you wanted.
Yeah, so here's the thing. The low of this overnight candle I wanted to sweep was at 92.15. I wanted below that to take that
Yeah.
liquidity there. We didn't. Yes, Jackie, exactly. Give me the 992 sweep. That's what I wanted. And we stopped at
Market doesn't
993 and a
care.
half.
The market doesn't care.
Apparently. This is twice today to me.
It's like
It
what
doesn't
I
care about
want.
me.
Market's like, nah.
Oh boy, oh boy.
I want to see like a hammer candle here on ES at least.
I didn't catch a bid though, so I'd be careful with shorts down here.
Well, this is where I wanted the long. About
Yeah,
2 points lower.
yeah.
God. Yep, Jackie, that it is. It definitely
Oh,
was
shit,
like,
I went over my limit.
son of a.
Damn it. This
That
is
would have been the order to get me the frig out of here. Oh. No. No.
I wanted to see a hammer candle ES, not this.
and Q is the play now. Yep.
It's gonna hurt me all day. All day.
Shit, I went over my
Yes.
limit.
ES did it earlier to me by 1 point. I won at 55 and a half and it stopped at 56 and a half before it went to 65, 10 points, right?
Yeah.
And now NQ is doing the same damn thing. This is not my day.
Well, we're getting a hammer candle on the 30-minute time frame.
Well, ADR a little late for that now. I already
Uh-huh.
missed the entry.
Yeah.
Doesn't,
Well,
doesn't
Just
help
wait
me
for
at
the
this point.
Wait for the retest.
if NQ can hold the
Wait for the
40s,
retest.
I like it.
Watch it now.
We'll see. We'll still can get another pullback on ES, maybe some
Oh, yeah.
consolidation at 44, 45.
Shit, I went over my. I made too much money.
Oh, such a tough life.
Oh, I know, it's terrible.
I'm sorry to
Yeah.
hear that,
No, like,
Case.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah. So
Is there anything-
unfortunate for you.
Is there anything we can do?
My
You're supposed to make
condolences.
1,500. You know, you're like that's the thing. Like the first day, right?
Just
So
flip.
now I gotta
Just
bring.
flip some micros, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. You'll knock it down real fast.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Just-
trying to
Everyone's
do.
getting smacked in cases. Oh man, I made too much
Yeah,
money.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, everybody's, oh, I missed the case. Like, shoot, I'm too good at this.
Oh shit, my bad, guys. No. that didn't come out right. Shit. Oh man.
Oh, God.
One
But it's
day
actually
it'll
quite
be
fun.
actual money. Oh man.
Well, when it's actual money, then it won't be like I made too much. You'll be like, heck yeah, I made too much. Yeah, and the EVO, you gotta do 50, 50, 50, right? 1,500 for the 50%.
Yeah. I hate that shit, dude.
How was it?
All right, there we go. Come on.
Oh, gonna haunt me for the rest of the day. Gonna do it to me.
Okay.
Wow, nice.
That was a beautiful bounce on ES of the 44 level. That was
Yep.
perfect.
25K, perfect. I mean, just
If
tough
only
because
all our
it felt.
trades. If only all our trades worked out like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If ES can hold 57, it's gonna break the downtrend.
Yep. Come on down. Come on down, NQ. Come on. Oh shit. My bad, guys.
That's my favorite meme. The little kid that's mad.
Yeah, congrats.
it's it's funny.
But I like the other one that
For
has like
real.
three
Congrats.
pictures of him, like being mad.
It is the best. Yeah, it's so good. Oh shoot.
I have done it. Yes, 1507. There we go. Locking
Okay.
these.
Walk them out. That's it.
Yeah. I've made that mistake before.
Yeah. Zach, yeah. Uh-huh. That's funny.
Yeah.
So what's
It's
the
not always
new
like that,
thing
Zach,
with
don't worry.
Tradeovate?
I don't know.
They're
Supposedly,
coming up with they want to come up with an app that rivals Project X,
But why don't
I,
they don't
yeah,
make
that's what it
better
sounds like.
what they already have? I need brackets for copy trading. That's all I need.
Well, what they need is they need to cater it more to props if that's what they want to do,
Mm-hmm.
right? You need bracket trading. You need to be able to trade multiple accounts with one login kind of thing. There's got to be ways that they can leverage this, right? If they really want to lean into it. They already did like the risk settings, which I think was a big step, right? That's important, right? Having the risk settings built to Tradeovate is important now. You can
Oh,
set
what they
your
did? I'm
actual
sorry.
limit.
What's that?
So on the right, if you have Tradeovate open, right,
Uh-huh.
on the right, there's now a little shield with an exclamation point. It's called risk
Oh yeah.
settings. You
Uh-huh.
can set
Oh,
daily
okay.
targets, daily risk limits. That's very important for it's not as important for personal, but very important for prop trading because you need to stay below certain levels for consistency's sake. So you can have daily triggers. It will
Mm-hmm.
automatically take you out of your positions if you hit X dollars in the day or lose X in the day. Very important, right?
Okay.
Um, so I think that was a big step, right? That's something that Project X had that everybody seemed to really utilize.
So you want brackets. So they're gonna use Ninja Trader probably as so Ninja Trader and Tradeovate are the same company now. Ninja
Yes.
Trader has brackets in their system. So
Mhm.
you'll probably get what you want ADR
Hmm.
with whatever they're building.
I would assume you will too. That's got to be something that's got to be. I can't tell you how many times people have said, "Why can't I do brackets with copy trading
Yeah.
in Trade Like, and the excuse was always, "Well, it's not coded properly to do that." Well, fix it, guys. It's
Yeah.
not. It's not
I don't
challenging,
think it's that hard.
right? Like, it's not. It's not. It wouldn't be that hard to do in order to say you have essentially you're doing one cancels the other, right? Sort of thing. When this fills, close the other open position. It's easy to do. So, I don't know why.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's not done. Maybe just due to the fact they don't want to compete with Ninja. Ninja can do it. When I say Ninja, Ninja Trader, not
Mm-hmm.
NT Technologies, right? But Ninja Trader itself, the platform. Okay, guys, I think I'm done. I'm exhausted. I'm fatigued from today.
I'm done trading futures. I'm just waiting for AI and Amazon to move. I have a huge position on AI and Amazon and PayPal.
Mm. Oh, ejection. So 55 and a half to the tick. We rejected it, but we couldn't enter it. We couldn't get it early this morning. Great, great, nice. That's funny. It's a good rejection on ES there, right at that level. How's gold doing? Gold back under that 60. Oh God.
That's funny.
Yo, the stupid shit people do, man. Oh Lord.
That dude 100% feeling that in the morning. Good Lord. Absolutely truck sticked. That's brutal. I mean, play stupid.
Jesus.
I mean, it's one of those things. You play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. Like that's
Yeah.
just. I mean, a little common sense tells you this is a dumb idea, right? Like, don't do that.
Oh man.
All right, kids. Well, I'll be back tomorrow. ADR, have a great weekend. I don't think
Yes, you
you'll be
too.
on. I will chat with you all later.
I might be here
Sounds
tomorrow
good,
for
man.
a little bit. Depends on the weather.
Okay.
Yeah?
Well, I'll be here. It's, sounds good. Later,
All
everybody.
right, guys.
Bye.
Take
Yeah.
care.
Bye.
See ya.
Wait, everyone left? Just me here?
Just me and you, I guess.
Okay.
Shit.
I'm still here too.
Okay. I kind of like this. I like both ES and NQ hold here. I might take it
Yeah.
with few evils that I have. Let's see. Let's play around a little bit.
I'm very, very lightly long.
Yeah. I like this. I'm gonna do it with let's see. With some evils. I have this evil on my fund features that I made too much money without without wanting to make that much
Oh,
money, and now
did
I'm
you?
trying to pass and I'm keep losing a lot of money, but it's oh I can't pass this
I'm not the
thing.
only one making too much money. I see. I see I'm not the only one. Getting too much money. For real. See, I'm not the only one. Yeah. Yep.
That's funny.
Oh man. That's hilarious. Come on, NQ pump. Yeah, that's hilarious. We really call each other and just be like, "How much money did you make today?"
Yeah. September was so difficult to trade.
Yeah.
It was even more difficult for me because I was doing the challenge. But I ended up green. I made like over 50K with the challenge.
Damn, that's not bad. It's pretty good.
Yeah, after investing only 2,300, like the 20 evals plus it was 23. Yeah, I think it was 2,300 or even less, like $38 per eval, and then 105 per PA.
Are we going here?
Great. Oh, 2,800.
So you made your money back tenfold, essentially.
It was 2,300%.
That's amazing.
Mm.
Who is we? Oh man. Oh shit. Sorry guys.
Yeah, I caught that bounce and
Oh.
I need to get out. I cannot make too much money on this account. Otherwise, I'm not gonna pass it ever.
See guys, I'm not the one bragging here. It's ADR saying I made too much money on this account. Oh man.
Yeah. That was a beautiful bounce from the 20s on NQ. That's what I caught.
Oh man, that's fucking
Okay,
hilarious.
AI. Can you make too much money on evils? Yes, because of the consistency rule. It depends on what prop you're using.
Oh man. What a sell-off. That's crazy. Oh, not really. Freaking so overextended. Fucking gifts. Oh my god. Well, there will be a bottom today. That might have been the 500. You said you had 44 on your chart on ES, right?
Me?
ADR?
On
Yeah.
ES? Yeah, 44. I'll post it.
Look at where we bounced.
Yeah, I know. That's why I took
Yeah,
a
look at,
loan on NQ because I also like have NQ 20.
yeah. Oh yeah. Need to go get some breakfast.
Mm,
All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Made too much money today, I guess. So I can't make any more.
Need some help lifting all that? Anything?
Can anybody help me with all the bags?
Yeah, exactly.
You're done. Oh man. ADR is the queen here. She's the one who makes all the money.
nah.
You guys know that. I'm gonna get out of here. See you guys.
Yeah, I'm out
We'll
too.
talk
I have nothing to do here. I'm already green. Bye.
tomorrow.
See you guys.
Oh my
Maybe
See you
God.
guys
mañana
later.
a little bit.
Bye.
Maybe. If not, Monday.
All right.
Happy weekend.
Oh,
Bye.
yeah, I'm a Desi tomorrow,
Bye.
so I'll see you guys.